Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video, I'm going to show you two items, the bathroom vanity and the top, and both of them are from Horow, and this is the Velora. And we're going to unbox both of them, and I'll show you what they look like, and at the end, I'll give you my final thoughts. The installation might be in another video. I'm just going to show you what these two look like. And I'll put the description in the comments. For the time being, this is the part number for the vanity, and the part number for the top is this one, and that's the model number. They both got delivered at the same time in case you want to buy them both at the same time. Of course, you can buy them separately. So let's start with the bathroom vanity. So once you open the box, it has this nice top that is protecting the whole thing. So you can take this off, and I think it's all taped in there, so it's well protected. As you can see, here's the box, and it has a very nice cushion on all sides as well as on the bottom. And this is what it looks like. It's nicely packaged so it doesn't get any scratches anywhere. So all we have to do is perhaps get this saran wrap out of here. So like that. And then perhaps just get rid of this. And try not to use a knife, and if you do, be very careful. And if you want to cut it, maybe cut it from the back, not the front, because you don't want to cut anywhere in the front of the cabinet. So if anything, go ahead in the back and try to cut this off. But I would probably just pull this, slowly break it. Maybe just like this. Because they took their time on putting it together and packaging it. You don't want to scratch it right out of the box. So there we have that. And then you have a thin layer of this, so you can take off. And look, it looks really, really nice. I like the finish. It's like a matte white finish. So let me get rid of the rest of the stuff so I can show you what it looks like. And look, this is what it looks like. Even the legs are lifted from the floor so they don't get scratched. So look at the detail. It looks really cool. Right there at the bottom. All throughout. And let's open this up. That's what it looks like. And it has a very nice soft close. And this drawer opens this way, so you can fit small things here. So you have extra storage, because some of the cabinets do not have this storage. They only have this part. So that's pretty cool. It has both places to store things. And then let's look at it from the top. Here is the top, and behind the cabinet. So here you'll put your top, and then you have space here to run the drain. Here you have some instructions, use and care, and safety information, warranty. So make sure you read some of this stuff. Here's the tools that you might need. And that's it for this one. I really like how it's well done, even in the back. And if you're wondering where it's made from, it's made in Vietnam. So now let's take a look at the top, see what that looks like. And here's the model number, HRTHA24D. And that is the weight, 20 pounds, and it's 24 inches. So let's open this up. And as you can see, it's nicely packaged. And let's take this off. This is some kind of sandpaper on this side. And this side is probably a very fine, ultra fine. I'm not sure what that's for. So let me take this out of the box. Now that it's out of the box, I really like that it's very nice and smooth right here. It doesn't have any sharp edges, so that's pretty cool. This is smooth as well. I like the color, and it has only one hole. Let me turn it around so you can see the other side too. And this is what this side looks like. It says it's made of 100% pure acrylic. And I like that it's very nice and smooth. So it's gonna fit right inside the cabinet. Because it's made out of acrylic, that's probably why it's only about 20 pounds. I think it's even less than 20 pounds. So it's very light, but I know it's strong. And the shape of it is pretty cool. And it seems like it's only one piece. And now you have both the vanity and the top. And look how flawless it looks. It looks really nice and clean. And you can put any color on top because you have nothing but white over here. Perhaps if you want to do a dark color like this, and if anything you want to change this to combine the top, that's fine too. I really like how they both go well together. You can get them separately if you want, but this is probably the best way to go. It looks really nice and clean. It looks very nice and smooth right here. No sharp edges right here. Perhaps a little bit of an edge right here, but it's smooth too. So this is what it looks like now. And this one you might need some help with. If you have things that you don't want to break, perhaps doing this won't help them. So on this top drawer, perhaps let it go halfway, like that. But the door, you can let go from here. And perhaps it needs a stopper or a rubber somewhere, because it sounds like it hit something. I think it hits right here. I'm not sure if it comes with a rubber or anything, but I'm gonna put one of those little stoppers right here, so you won't be able to hear the sound. Overall, I like how it looks. I really like how they package it well, because nothing is scratched. It looks like it's easy to clean because it has a nice quality paint on it. I really like the shape of it here as well as here, and it goes well with the top. I really like how flawless this looks. It looks pretty nice and clean. I also like that you have extra storage, not just down here, but also up here. And the things that I would have liked is perhaps have a couple of options of the hardware. Of course, I can change them myself, but if you're going with this color up here, then you have this already there. Another thing that I would have liked is for this not to bounce like that, but it's no big deal. All I have to do is let it go right around here. Another thing that I would have liked is for like a little rubber piece that goes right here, so you won't be able to hear this sound. But that's not a big deal. I know I have some of those little rubber things that go in here. I really like that it has that shape there. Your plumbing will go in there without any problems, and you still have storage here and down here. A couple of things, maybe a couple of tapes that go here and here, so you won't see these two screws as well as those, but I'm just being picky by now. But I'm not gonna see the inside, so what I'm gonna see is out here, and this is what matters. It looks really nice. I even like the hardware. It looks really nice and clean, and it goes well with this. And I'll put the description on the comments and where you probably can get them. So this is the Velora 24-inch vanity and top by Horow. If you have any questions, here is their website and their phone number and their email. So this is what it looks like when it's installed. As you can see, it looks great. It has a very nice finish from top to bottom, and very useful. 2 shelves down there, plus this area so you can put a couple of essentials. I put this gold finished faucet and this pop-up that came with it, and I'll put the link on the comments where you can get this one. And let me show you what this one does. If I have cold water, it looks blue. If it's warm, it starts turning green. And if it's hot, it's red. So there goes the red. Green and blue. It looks pretty cool, I think, but that's really up to you, your preference. It doesn't need batteries, so that's even better. So back to the sink. It looks great. It has a very nice finish. As you can see, there was plenty of water coming in and there's no water splashing out of it. Premium quality, looks great, timeless, and I'll put more information about it in the comments. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.